You might have heard that you are what you eat. While unhealthy eating increases your chances for developing type 2 diabetes, the behavior alone is not sufficient to cause the disease. For someone to develop type 2 diabetes, other factors work jointly. These factors include genes, the risk in the environment, and genomics. In this scenario, you will understand the role of genetic predisposition in increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Genes can increase your vulnerability to disease. This situation happens when a family member, such as mother, father, or siblings, have type 2 diabetes. One has a chance of inheriting the genes from their parents. Some of these genes have been compromised and do not function well as required. Evidence has indicated that people with ABCC8 gene mutation have higher risk of insulin malfunctioning. The results mean that the individuals from these families will likely report poor blood sugar regulation, which is closely associated with type 2 diabetes. Think of this as a detective looking for criminal evidence all over body genes. They collect suspects' DNA samples, but only look for the ones that match genes linked to diabetes. In this case, we also have specific genes associated with diabetes that indicate an individual's likelihood of developing the disease. As much as two people are on the same diet, the variations in these genes cause one to have a higher risk than the other. Therefore, if your close family member, such as your mother, has type 2 diabetes, you are also at an increased risk for developing the disease. This test is also a crystal ball that tells you the risks of disease. You cannot prevent what you don't know. This approach helps you stay healthy by modifying your behavior, since you understand your risk of developing the disease is higher than the general population. Diabetes prevention programs have shown to slow the chances of an at-risk individual developing type 2 diabetes. Genomic testing processes are important. Since we have different genes, our response to medication also varies. Take two people and give them the same medication and dose. The medication can work for one and fail for the other. The difference is brought on by the genes. Your doctor uses this information to decide which medication will effectively help you with the confirmed diagnosis. This approach is like having an exercise plan that fits your daily schedule, energy requirements, and general health. So this test is vital in determining the best disease treatment for the best outcome. This approach is better than a one treatment fits all. It also helps focus the plans on how uniquely your health, body, and genes correspond to medication. Thank you.